Good morning, Teacher Sabrina, and good morning, classmates. Today I'm gonna show you how to make an origami paper heart. I have here an A4 paper, and we're gonna make it. That's how you make an origami paper. Thank you. Goodbye.